So you have the professional window cleaning kit from VITEVER. Now in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive and a quick guide on how to get this thing assembled and working for you. But here's what you get. So it's going to be the actual cleaning brush itself, microfiber cloth on the front, squeegee on the back. Right here is going to be that grip on the handle. So if you do want to use this in your house and not have that pull going, you can just unscrew this, clean your shower doors, mirrors, stuff like that. There's a button right here too as well where you can fold it up. Now in addition to that, they're going to give you an extra microfiber cloth here that you can attach. And these are just Velcro, so when you're done using them, you can go clean it off, put them in your washing machine, super easy, just in an individual rag. Now, as for this bucket right here, this can hold 4 gallons, and it is expandable. So right now I have it expanded up because I'm about to fill it up. But when you are done using it, you can just push it down like this and throw it back in your cleaning closet or whatever you got to do. And it also does have handles on here as well, so you can carry it around when it's full of water. And now for the actual extension poles themselves. So these are going to be super, super easy to put together. So all you're going to do is go like this and screw it in. Absolutely no tools are needed at all. Get that one on here. I'll get this one on here. We'll get it all set up. And what I do like is they do got some foam here. So if you've ever used these before, I do a bunch of these demos. Sometimes they don't have foam here. And when you do get the mop and stuff all wet, it's a little bit heavy, especially when you're like putting it above your head. So it is nice to have that grip here so you can really squeeze on it and hold it down when you're trying to kind of get around your windowsills and stuff like that. But all right, so just like that, we got this whole thing assembled. Now, I have it pretty long because I do have tall windows, but if you want it shorter, you don't have to put in all these extension pieces. That is totally up to you. But got that on there. We're going to screw on our head just like this. I'm ready to go clean some windows. And one other thing I wanted to show off is they do have hooks on here that are detachable, but it's nice because when you're not using the cloth, you can put it on the outside, kind of dry off, or you can have them flipped around too, so all the water drips in there, and you can kind of switch out the cloths as you go. So overall, this window squeegee has been working out awesome for me. I love that the squeegee and the cloth are on the same thing, so you don't have to mess around with, taking off the head of it to switch out the squeegee to your cloth. But if you're like myself, you got tall windows, this is so much easier than getting a ladder out. Just get them clean, move on with your day. So I give this thing 2 thumbs up.